Please can I get 5 seconds? What's up, baby gang? Welcome to the channel. What's up, baby gang? Welcome to the channel today. Shh. Puppies. Please can I get 5 seconds? What's up, baby gang? Welcome to the channel. I'm super hyped today because I just got done watching Edward Scissorhands and OMG memories, and that is what's behind today's inspiration on this video and costume. Okay, so my packages came from Amazon. I don't know what's what. Some of this might be shit from my t-shirts, and some might be and it is. So it didn't have a size. And I'm just okay, so first of all, I thought it was gonna be more like belt material. I guess I didn't read the description. But let's make this fucking costume, okay? So I think I'm gonna go with some all black jeans and a cute top. I won't hold the camera.
Why won't I? Because I didn't.
Because I asked you and you won't.
You asked me and then you started recording and you started talking shit about me.
It's like sexier than I thought it would be. I was confused as hell putting it on because like, what?
Turn around.
But I think I got it.
Turn around.
I'm not turning around because it's a little bit obnoxious. Alright, so now we're about to get to the most exciting part, and technically the only part that I'm really DIYing, which is going to be the hands! Gloves, scissor hands? Hand, scissor, gloves? Whatever? I don't know. That's what we're about to do. These are what the blades look like once I was done with the duct tape, and it's very simple. Okay, so basically once I had all my blades set up, I got my duct tape, and I'm just pretty much going to wrap them in the duct tape. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you a thicker one. I don't really like the edge on that. I like this one. Alright, so basically I just got the tape, and I just pull it out from kind of, I don't know how to explain this. Okay, kind of from under where the blade curves. This is paper, but it's gonna be a blade. But kind of, I just this is much easier to do when the camera's not on. I don't know why. Maybe I just don't like being watched. But yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? Okay, anyway, so then I'm just gonna take that all the way out. You just have to be really smooth so you don't get air bubbles, but it's not the worst thing in the world. And then basically, I'm going to take my scissors and trim this up, and you have your blade instantly. Alright, so I just found these gloves in my sock drawer. They're old as hell, as you can see. But what I'm going to do basically is cut some slits, 3 or 4 slits, and for me to, why can't I talk? Alright, here are the slits, and they're not perfect or even by any means, but it's okay, because we're gonna make this work. So as you can see, we have our blades and our gloves, Okay, so I'm about to just start playing with these bitches and putting them in these slots I made, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stop telling y'all what to do, because this ain't a tutorial. Always a hippie.
Hippies are cool.
Yeah.
I'm still going to be in college. I'm not going to never know.
Okay, so these are the final of the gloves, and I guess it's time to really wrap it up now because, like, Halloween's today, and so if you're watching this, it's probably way past Halloween, but that's okay because, you know, Halloween happens every year, right? Right. Okay, so anyway, these are the gloves, and, I don't know, I didn't like them at first, but, like, the more I'm with them, I'm, like, falling in love. So even better, as you can see, the glue was a fucking mess. But I used these old chains I found and just, you know, because I feel like the gloves weren't enough. But it's last minute. The party starts in an hour. I gotta go. I'm going to flip this over and iron this so I can melt the glue that's there, which I have a video that shows you how to do that. I really do. It's really cool. Okay, and then we'll be right back.
You look cool as shit.
Thanks. You get my ashy ass feet, bro?
Nah, but I'm recording you. You can get it out. It's a rough guy. I learned to love yourself. You do love yourself. I know you. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know what beat.
He alive or alive?
Alive.
I never know.
Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, because it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Beauty, beauty.
They go for all y'all.
Can you pull up that picture of Edward real quick? And then I just want to put it to the camera and then I'm done.
What can I be?
Look at my baby. She's a real... Can you look? She's a real... Alright, I'm just trying to get my lips to look like Edward like this. Can you see this? That's all I want to do. I already got the sleepy eye looking thing. Okay, so... It would probably be way easier with black lipstick. I am ready. What if I had to pee? Would you be mad? Now I will present you with the complete costume. Me is Edwina Scissorhands. Am I looking at Phil cross-eyed?
No.
Alright, so I just got home from the party, but I forgot my fucking hand. So I was Edward No Scissorhands all night. I felt not like myself. It wasn't great. But anyway, I look like a bomb.